Welcome back to Algo Traders Program, the ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 4 of this series, and in this series we are going to learn about the software requirements for our Algo Traders program. So, what are the softwares you need to do algo trading? Well, there can be a lot of variations based on the type of algo trading that you want to do. But here at Market Secrets, this is what we use and the ATP traders should have to do algo trading. So the number one, a default system scheduler. So this is available by default in Windows and Linux. So in Windows you can use the scheduler to schedule your scripts, and in Linux you can use the cron jobs to do the job. So a scheduler is the first one. Second, a Google account with Google Sheets. So this is a free Google account that you can create, and you need access to Google Sheets as well. So this Google Sheets will act as our master controller. And third, Python. So you need to install Python in your machine, whether it's a Windows machine or Linux machine, you need to install Python. So this should be installed in your system and it's free of cost. So you can do it on your own. So our script is in Python, so Python installation is necessary. And lastly, a trading platform which provides or exposes the APIs for the public use. So this API part is critical because only with that you will be able to trigger the trades. So a proper trading platform with an exposure towards APIs is very much necessary. So that is all you need. That is all. You can get all of this for free. Yes, almost all of this is completely free. So that's the good news here. You don't have to make any payments for any softwares. You can get almost everything for free. So that completes our software requirement part. Do you have any questions on the software requirements? If there's any, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer it. So we have a demo Telegram channel created for the members who are interested in the ATP program. So the link to this Telegram channel is available under the description section of this video. So if you are interested in algo trading and if you are interested in the ATP program, please join this Telegram channel. That is where we will send all the updates related to this ATP program. That is where it will be published first. So please join it if you are interested. And also we will be sharing our algo trades and results on a daily basis in this particular Telegram channel. Also, we'll be starting the real-time live data feed for our algo trades on a daily basis. So this will be in YouTube. So stay tuned in our YouTube channel for the same. So with that, we have come to end of today's session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.